Tonight, it's a deal. Lawmakers avert a shutdown, passing a short-term spending bill to keep the government open for business. We'll have all the late details from Capitol Hill.
The bill is passed, and without objection, the motion to reconsider is laid on the table.
Also tonight, strike deadline. Medical workers
The National Weather Service in Chicago, Illinois has issued a tornado warning for Cook County in northeastern Illinois, Peoria County in southwestern Illinois, and in DeKalb County in northern Illinois. Until 1:57 p.m. At 12:05 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a tornado was confirmed to touch the ground. Indicator radar shows that the wind speeds are 136 miles per hour. Expect golf ball-sized hail. Take cover now. If you are in any of these areas, seek shelter immediately. Mobile homes will be destroyed. If you are in a mobile home, evacuate to the nearest building. If you are driving, pull over to the side and duck under the car. If you are in a house, grab a battery-powered radio and supplies and head to a place with no windows. Repeat, there is a tornado warning for the following counties: Cook, Peoria, DeKalb,